Good day, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam Sir. I'm Annalisa Karamat, 23 years old, single. I graduated at Nasser School of Pangasinan, vocational course as Healthcare Services.
Do you have work experience as domestic helper?
Yes, I have work experience here in Philippines as household worker, 2 years and 1 month. Last March 2013 to April 2015, taking care of 3 kids, 1 year old, 3 years old, and 5 years old.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities are taking care of 3 kids, 1 year old, 3 years old, and 5 years old, washing clothes, cooking, and all household works.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and elderly?
I will take good care of them by cooking and feeding them, make sure that they are healthy and clean, and serving them as my own family.
Please tell us some of your skills.
Madam Sir, I finished vocational course as Healthcare Services. I can cook Filipino food. I'm willing to learn more when it comes to cooking.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Madam Sir, it's necessary to be a hardworking person, honest, fast learner, God-fearing, taking care of the kids as their own, and can work for minimum supervision.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Madam Sir, I will promise to finish my 2 years contract, and thank you and God bless.
Thank you and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.